In this video, I'm going to show you how you can verify your Namecheap domain in Google Search Console. This is going to be a step-by-step video, so let's jump into it. So first you want to go to Namecheap, log into your dashboard, and then find the domain you want to verify. For the video, I'll just verify this one, onlinehowtoguide.click. You can do any domain, right? Then you want to go ahead and open up Google Search Console. The easiest way to get here is just to Google it, Google Search Console. It will be the first one. Click on that, and it will then open this window, provided you're already logged into your Google account. So now you can go to this drop-down menu, then click add property, and now you need to add your domain. So we're going to add it to the first box here. So go ahead and copy your domain. In my case, my domain is onlinehowtoguide.click, and we can then paste that into here and then click continue. And now once we've done that, it's going to try and verify, but because obviously we haven't done anything yet, it's not going to be able to verify yet. What we're going to need to do is add a TXT record inside of Namecheap, and that's pretty easy, right? So we go to Namecheap, we go to manage. We then need to go to advanced DNS. So go to advanced DNS here. If you already have any DNS settings, any TXT records, you are going to need to delete these. I'm just going to make sure though, if we go to domain, make sure that you're not on a custom DNS, make sure you're on Namecheap basic DNS. And now I've changed to that, I should be able to add new records. So here we are in advanced DNS. We want to click on add records, and you want to go to TXT record, put the host as @ and then the value, you want to just copy it from Google Search Console. So copy it here and then paste, and then you want to click on the green tick, save changes. That's going to then save that record. You can then click verify on Google Search Console, and it should then verify that you own that domain. If it fails right away, then just keep trying until it recognizes it. It might take a couple of times. So for me, for some reason, it isn't verifying. If this happens to you, there is an additional way you can fix it. For most of you though, it'll probably just say verified. If it doesn't say verified, and if you have to wait, change this to CNAME and we can add some CNAME records. So copy the CNAME host. Then real quick, add new record, we're adding a CNAME. We can paste this into the host. And then for the destination, you want to copy the second one, paste it into target here, and then click the green tick. Now we can try and verify this again, one more time. Okay, so now it's finally verified. That did take a while. I had to click out of Google Search Console, refresh the page, and retype in the domain, but now it's been verified. That's all you've got to do. I hope that video did help you out.